Tired of struggling to find conversation partners to practice your Spanish? Want to make language learning fun and engaging? You need a Spanish conversation starter. These unique tools are designed to spark authentic conversations with native Spanish speakers. Each phrase is carefully chosen to be easy to understand and responded to, making it the perfect icebreaker for language learners of all levels. Simply wear the shirt or give it as a gift to a friend and watch them draw Spanish conversations like a magnet. It's a hands-on approach to language learning that takes you beyond the classroom and gives you valuable real-world practice. You'll get benefits like boosting confidence through practice in a natural and low-pressure environment, expanding vocabulary through everyday interactions, and improving pronunciation by hearing native speakers. How can you get one and experience the joy of real in-person Spanish conversations? Get a conversation starter through the link in the description below this video. We will receive a commission if you purchase a conversation starter through the link below with no additional cost to you, and we sincerely appreciate your support. Benefit now from this unique and valuable tool.